Hey guys, welcome. Today I wanted to show you another search and rescue. So again, let me grab it. Um, we have our sheet that the students would fill out, and the first column is question on the card. The second column is where they would do their work. And then the third column is their answer. So a little bit different from the other one we've done where they were writing in the answer and then filling out the last column on their own. So this is a little bit different because they're going to be doing their work in the middle, which is why that column is larger so they can show their work. And then they write their answer and go to the next card. So just like in the other search and rescue. So sorry, I'm trying to do this with my computer and make sure y'all can see everything. All right, so there are all the numbers. Sorry, really not good at this, guys. So they, again, you could have your students pick which card to start at. They would read the word problem on the bottom. At this point, you will have like trained your students to work from the bottom to the top. So the first thing they look at is the bottom, read the word problem, find it on their sheet, do the work in the center column, and then find their answer and go to that one. So I'll show you what each card is. You might not be able to read it. They're just in page protectors, which is another great way to save them. The last set you saw was laminated. This set is just in page protectors, which makes them easy to store in a binder or switch them out. And you could leave the page protectors up on your wall and then just change out your search and rescue every week, every day, however often you want to. Maybe slip other things in there around the room that you're going to use. And remember, these would be posted around the room, not all on one wall. Obviously, we're just working in our home situation here. So Katie has 48 rubber band bracelets in packs of 6. So how many packs would she have? Then they would solve it. And go to the next one. I'm giving you some time to look. All right, you guys got it? I paused it for a sec. Yep, she would go to 8. Well, I said she because we were working with Katie. But the students would go to the number 8 next. And then they know they would write this, or they would already have this in the answer column. So they're only writing once from the card on their sheet this time. The number 8 says, Lindsay ran 7 miles. Jacob ran 3 times as far. How far did Jacob run? You guys good? Lindsay ran 7 miles. Jacob ran 3 times as far. 7 times 3 is 21. So here's our 21. We would already have that written on our sheet after we did our work. What number is a factor of both 12 and 32? Give you guys some time. You would also have to, obviously, they would need to know what the word factor meant. They may come to you or your lifeguard to remind them what factor is, and they could write that in their interactive student notebook. 4. What number is a multiple of 9? Ooh. Multiple of 9. Again, good vocabulary, right? A multiple of 9. Oh, I'll show you all the options. 27. Caden was buying presents for his friends. He bought 3 items for $18 each and another item that was $15. How much money did he spend? Okay, this is tricky for your students because it's 2 problems in one, right? Because first you have to figure out he bought 3 items for $18 each, so they would need to figure out 3 times 18. And then they would need to add another item that was $15. I hear my dog snorting at the door. I'll back up so you can see the options. Okay. $69. And the problem for 69 is Matt has 3 times as many Skittles as Maggie. Matt has 21. How many does Maggie have? So that's a little bit of a different problem too, right? Because they know the answer because Matt has 21, but he has 3 times as many as Maggie. So again, working a little bit backwards, right? They would have 3 times blank equals 21. Right? And then that would be 7, which brings us back to our first problem. So we would have our sheet completed. Are these making sense? I hope so. Leave me some comments in the comments section. You know, I'm new to this YouTube thing. And let me know how you could use this. What other types of search and rescues could you do? I have one more prepared for you. I'll share at a later date. Thanks, y'all.